Gothic Quarter is a treasure chest of history. It is located in the center of Old Barcelona, and its narrow streets are steeped in history, telling the stories of what once was around every corner. From La Rambla to Via Laietana, from the Mediterranean coast to Ronda de Sant Pere, this neighborhood is an unforgettable part of Ciutat Vella. It is a window into Barcelona's past. From the remains of Roman walls to the fascinating legacy of the Middle Ages, it holds many historical treasures. Wandering through the Gothic Quarter, you feel the texture of the past. Barcelona Gothic has an intricate street plan, like a labyrinth. Narrow avenues lead to squares where traces of the past are still alive. The cobbled streets of the neighborhood take you back in time. Apart from the occasional service vehicles and taxis, the neighborhood offers residents and visitors a tranquil ambience away from the noise of regular traffic. Barcelona's Gothic Quarter is not only full of history and architectural beauty, but also full of fascinating stories. The Gothic Quarter is home to the remains of Barcelona's old Roman wall. These ruins provide a window into the history of the city and the Roman era. It was also in the Gothic Quarter that the first exhibition of paintings by the famous painter Pablo Picasso opened. This small exhibition is a milestone in the history of art. The Gothic Quarter is like a time warp in the heart of Barcelona. Walking around here, you feel like you are in a place where the past meets the present. As you get lost in its streets, you can't wait to hear the stories of that once lived in every corner of this unique neighborhood.